Before we dive in, let me issue a quick disclaimer. What I'm about to share is an idea. It's not a proven business model. Yet. My goal here is to shine a light on a loophole in the food industry that I believe entrepreneurs around the world can explore. If this resonates with you, please do your own research, validate the market, and, most importantly, work with nutritionists and medical professionals before taking it further.
This idea came from a very personal experience. I remember a day when my mom and auntie were both out. They live with health conditions, high blood pressure, and diabetes. Later in the evening, they needed food to take their medication, but none of the restaurants nearby had meals suited for them. Everything was either oily, sugary, fried, or just not appropriate. That moment was eye-opening for me. I thought, if my family faces this challenge, how many other families around the world struggle with the same thing? Food wasn't just about hunger that day. It was about survival. And survival wasn't available on the menu.
In Nigeria, and honestly in many countries, you'll find restaurants everywhere. Fast food chains, street vendors, cultural spots, even fine dining. But if you pay close attention, they're all designed for the general population. People with specific health conditions like diabetes, PCOS, autoimmune diseases, gut health issues, or even cancer recovery diets are almost completely left out. Think about it. How many times have you walked into a restaurant and seen a menu labeled diabetes friendly or high blood pressure safe? Almost never. That's the loophole. And in entrepreneurship, where there's a gap, there's an opportunity. Now, imagine a different approach. Pre-portioned meal kits designed specifically for health conditions. For example, diabetes-friendly kits with controlled carbs and no added sugar. PCOS-friendly kits with balanced protein and hormone-conscious ingredients. Autoimmune protocol or AIP kits that remove inflammatory foods. Gut health kits focused on probiotics and easy digestion. These kits could be available in two ways. One, as restaurant menu options so that people don't feel left out when eating out. And two, as a delivery or subscription-based model so they can have a week's worth of meals planned, portioned, and delivered straight to their home. This isn't just a Nigerian challenge. It's global. From New York to Nairobi, from London to Liberia, millions of people face the same frustration. The restaurant industry has evolved around taste, speed, and convenience, but not around health inclusivity. People travel, they work long hours, they get tired, and suddenly they need food that aligns with their health condition, but it's simply not available. That's a universal problem waiting for a universal solution. So here's where I speak directly to fellow entrepreneurs. Instead of opening yet another restaurant serving the same food as everyone else, why not explore this loophole? Here's what you can do. Start with research. What are the most underserved health conditions in your city? Partner with experts. Work with nutritionists, dietitians, and doctors to design the meals. Test small. Maybe start with 20 diabetic-friendly meal kits a week. See the response. Build models. Will it be delivery only, subscription-based, or restaurant add-on menus? If you get this right, you're not just running a business. You're solving a real human problem. And businesses built around solving problems usually have the highest chance of scaling globally. That night with my mom and auntie changed my perspective forever. It showed me that food isn't just about taste or luxury. For some people, food is literally medicine. Imagine the relief of someone with diabetes opening a menu and finally seeing an option they can eat without fear. Or the convenience of a cancer survivor getting delivered meals that match their healing journey. That's impact. So, as entrepreneurs, maybe it's time we rethink the way we build food businesses. The future of food isn't just about making it delicious, it's about making it inclusive. And maybe, just maybe, meal kits for health conditions could be the next big step. That's a wrap on today's idea and untapped opportunities in food business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next episode where we uncover another hidden opportunity in the food industry.